Boost your immune system fast, how to make immune system shot drink. Hi guys, welcome to Healthy Bodies. We provide daily videos on a wide range of health topics, so please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, and that way you will catch all the latest updates. So in today's video we're going to explain how to boost your immune system fast and how to make immune system shot drink, and we've compiled this recipe using some of the most powerful and natural everyday ingredients available, incorporating top superfoods to give your body an instant health boost. And what we're going to do in this video, we'll firstly explain the ingredients we're going to use and their respective health benefits, and then we'll explain how to make the immune system shot drink. So really stay tuned for the entire video because it's absolutely jam-packed with information. This one it's going to be highly beneficial. Ingredients: garlic. Garlic is known to boost the function of the immune system and has been shown to reduce the symptoms of a common cold. And garlic helps relieve congestion in both the lungs and sinuses and can also combat upper respiratory infections. And interestingly, garlic also does something that antibiotics cannot. Garlic can increase your immune system activity. It can increase the natural killer cells of the immune system. Garlic contains complex carbohydrates and proteins that improve both your physical performance and also your mental health. And garlic is also high in vitamins and minerals such as vitamin B, sodium, potassium, magnesium and allicin. And it also has antioxidant, anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Ginger. Ginger has a very long history of use in both traditional and alternative medicine, and it's been used to help digestion, reduce nausea and also help fight the common cold and other illnesses. And it also gives the immune booster shot a little zing and enhances the flavour. Ginger has many beneficial qualities. It's packed full of antioxidants that prevent or slow damage to cells caused by free radicals, and it also has anti-inflammatory, anti-nausea, antifungal and antimicrobial properties. And furthermore, ginger also has anti-carcinogenic qualities, which basically means it can have a positive effect on helping to fight cancer. Cayenne. Cayenne has many health benefits due to its active component capsicum, and cayenne heats the body to sweat out toxins, and since it has both antibiotic and antifungal properties, it is also a powerful immune booster, and it can boost metabolism, lower blood pressure, and better still, it adds a super twist to the flavour of the shot. Turmeric. Now, if we're talking about superfoods, then turmeric has to be included, and the main compound in turmeric is called curcumin, and it's a powerful antioxidant. And antioxidants are very important as they protect your body from free radicals, and additionally curcumin boosts the activity of your body's own antioxidant enzymes. In that way, curcumin delivers almost a double blow against free radicals. It blocks them directly and then stimulates your body's own antioxidant defences. And furthermore, turmeric also has very strong anti-inflammatory properties, and studies have shown that turmeric can actually be as effective as some other anti-inflammatory drugs such as aspirin and ibuprofen without the side effects. Black pepper. And curcumin, the main active ingredient in turmeric, is poorly absorbed into the bloodstream, so what we recommend doing is actually add in some black pepper to the shot. And black pepper contains piperine, which is a natural substance that enhances the absorption of curcumin by over 2000%. Honey. And honey is rich in antioxidants and is often used to soothe sore throats. It will also add a natural sweetness to the drink. Lemon. Lemon juice is both low in sugar and also full of nutrients, and furthermore lemons are loaded with antioxidant vitamin C, antibiotic phytonutrients and also B vitamins, and the citric acid in lemon also aids digestion whilst ascorbic acid fights damaging free radicals. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar can kill harmful bacteria, and it has various beneficial health properties, including both antimicrobial and antioxidant effects. It's a natural antiseptic and a worthy addition to our health drink. Orange. Orange juice is naturally high in vitamin C, folate and potassium, as well as being a great source of antioxidants. And orange juice has long been associated with health and wellness, and inclusion in our shop recipe also adds a great underlying base flavour. Pineapple. We've included pineapple in our recipe for several reasons. Primarily, pineapple contains bromelain, which is a protein digesting enzyme that bolsters the power of its vitamin C content to help clear respiratory congestion, suppress coughs, loosen mucus and also flush out toxins, and it can reduce swelling and bloating and stimulate circulation, so it really provides a deep dive detox. And of course, also pineapple introduces a slightly tropical twist to the shop and further enhances the fruit mix flavour. Salt. So we recommend using Himalayan pink salt, which comes from ancient seabeds in the Himalayan mountains, with their pink colour attributed to their rich iron content. And this salt is in fact quite rich in minerals. It contains all 84 essential trace elements required by your body. And amongst other things, pink salt can promote blood sugar health and maintain healthy pH levels in your cells. Warm water. And last but not least, we need to include a little warm water as well, simply to assist with dissolving the honey and the salt. How to make. So we recommend that you always use fresh ingredients wherever possible in order to obtain the maximum health benefit. Ingredients: immune system shot drink. And to make the shot drink, we recommend the following ingredients: 1 clove of garlic, half a teaspoon of ginger, a pinch of cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, a tablespoon of honey, the juice of 1 whole lemon, a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, which needs to be organic with the mother, a juice of 1 whole orange, the juice from a couple of slices of pineapple, a pinch of pink Himalayan salt, and 2 tablespoons of warm water. Step 1. Mince the garlic, preferably with a garlic press, and then set aside for 10 minutes. And what the 10-minute waiting period will do, it allows the enzyme within the garlic, which is called allinase, to convert into allicin, which is responsible for the strong aroma and the activity of fresh garlic. So basically, the waiting period will help to increase the potency of the garlic. Step 2. Boil some water and then allow it to cool until it's lukewarm, and then whisk together the water with the honey, the turmeric, the salt, until the honey mixture really becomes quite smooth and all the ingredients are dissolved and well blended. Step 3. After the 10-minute waiting period for the garlic has elapsed, add the garlic and any of the remaining ingredients to the mixture and whisk it all together. Step 4. Drink immediately. Now, whilst the ingredients will be most potent when they're fresh, you can make this in slightly larger quantities and then store it in the fridge for 2 to 3 days. And this immune boosting drink is not only full of super healthy and cold fighting immune boosting ingredients, but it actually tastes quite good as well. And the honey adds a natural sweetness, and the ginger and the lemon and the cayenne pepper all provide a wonderful zing, and it's really a nice healthy drink. So we hope you liked this video. We have many similar videos being released shortly. So please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, and that way you will catch all the latest updates. Until next time, goodbye.